Hello everyone. We are thrilled to introduce a new video format for MeasurLink software on the Mitutoyo Europe channel. MeasurLink is Mitutoyo's advanced SPC and data management software. It's designed to streamline and elevate quality control processes, and for this special occasion we're excited to introduce ourselves, the new European MeasurLink sales team. I'm Matthew Parker, European MeasurLink sales manager.
And I'm Giacomo Collini, European MeasurLink technical manager. Together, we bring the expertise that power innovative solutions like the one we are unveiling today.
Let's talk about a new function that will transform how you analyze and report data. Whether it's hundreds, thousands, or even millions of data points, this tool processes them in a matter of seconds.
Introducing the Defect Analytics Report, the latest innovation in MeasurLink. Powered by Microsoft Power BI, it offers a simple yet extensive reporting function. Make it incredibly easy for engineers and managers to explore the data that truly matters. With automated reporting for creation, distribution, and collaboration, you'll save valuable time while ensuring every stakeholder has access to up-to-date, actionable insights. This tool's design simplifies complex datasets, enabling informed decision-making that improves processes and boosts product quality. Best of all, the Defect Analytic Report ensures great transparency, empowering teams to work smarter, not harder, and keeping everyone aligned toward success.
So as you've seen, the Defect Analytics Report takes quality management and collaboration to the next level. Thank you all for watching, and we look forward to helping you improve the quality of your production with our MeasurLink Defect Analytics Report.